Hello guys, it's Alan from ESA. Welcome to Yuet Vehicle Supply Chain Limited Corporations. Our company was founded in 2022, which is affiliated to Haval Group, and our company is committed to serving the world-famous automobile manufacturers. Today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our company is located in Guangdong, Nansha District, Guangzhou, adjacent to Guangzhou Jinyang Port, which enjoys rich resources and convenient geographical location. We plan to build a Yuet vehicle export comprehensive service platform. We provide comprehensive service, such as purchase agency, vehicle maintenance, vehicle storage, shipment and logistics, export custom clearance, tax refund, and so on.
In this place, you can know the development history of our company. Join us as we showcase the impressive capabilities of our company across various scenes.
We have high-quality route resources, provide customers with automobile freight forwarding services, and can reach a wide range of destinations, including the Middle East, India, Pakistan, Africa, Europe, Central Asia, and other regions.
We can provide manufacturers with vehicle bonded, rectification, vehicle processing at port, maintenance, inspection, and other professional service. In 2022, Haval completed bonded vehicles of about 10,000 vehicles, with a total amount of about RMB 4.4 billion.
Our company will continue to develop the vehicle supply chain service as the main goal, and is committed to building a comprehensive service base for automobile import and export trade with a complete system and high-quality services.
ESA.com, make global trade easier.